Hello, I'll talk through this kit quickly just because it's like super pale and it's not everyone's look. I actually really like it. I'm probably going to use it for Mother's Day. Better hurry up. And though I'll just say that this for the main envelope, I think it's best to print it both sides. You've got two options, either a lighter one or a thicker one. I've used the light for both sides, but you can either do the same or print one side darker, one side lighter, and then just stick it to each other and back to back, and then create. I've stitched mine and I've added some fabric, as you can see, and a mini flower here. It comes with a book cover itself and backing for the cover, which you stick again back to back. I can just show you very quick. And yeah, so that's the book cover, and this goes on the back of it. It comes with a bigger tag. You can stick this pocket on for so you have some space to tuck things inside, some labels here, and a couple of pockets. And I've used for mine, you can either use blank pages, tea stain papers, and there is another page here as the pattern paper, very light. It's split into two, so if you print both sides, then well, mine isn't, but really would like to print it both sides. And then there is a mini gap here in the middle, so you cut it through the middle, then fold each one into two, and then it gives you basically 4 pages, and these 4, so 8 together from one page. There is a gift bag here and an envelope and loads of extra bits to use. I'll go through mine quickly. And so that was the main envelopes. It goes inside. And I've just stuck some pockets. Actually, the photo frames I've used as pockets as well. And I've stuck things on top of each other. The butterflies also, I've stuck them. I just applied a bit of glue in the middle. So this, you can then bend them a bit, so there's like extra volume. I've got the bird here on top, and the labels I've stuck one to each other. Oh gosh, this isn't stuck properly. There is a gift bag here. The envelope, I've stuck one of the labels on top of the pockets. There is this envelope here, which I put it through the ribbon. So this is how I tied my, so I took the book cover, and once all the pages were ready, I folded everything into 2. I've trimmed the edges of the paper that were a bit longer than the cover, and then all I did was just I took a bit of like a mesh, which is a bit stretchy, so it was easy to tie, so it's holding everything together perfectly. That's the main gift tag. I've got this bit inside here, and I'm going to fill the book with some notes and post it over. That's again one of the frame, and I've stuck this on top, and I'm going to write some bits inside and post it to my mom in Germany. Thank you for watching.